Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to find your Tesla referral code and link within the Tesla app and how to use it to earn rewards. The Tesla referral program allows existing owners to earn rewards by referring new customers to purchase Tesla vehicles or energy products. As of December 2025, the program is active and integrated into the Tesla app, offering incentives like free supercharging miles and other perks. To locate your referral code and link, start by opening the Tesla app on your smartphone. Next, navigate to the main menu, usually represented by three horizontal lines in the top corner. This is called the hamburger menu. Within the menu, look for the Rewards or Referrals section. Tap on it to access your personalized referral dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique referral code and a shareable link. Within the Referrals section of the Tesla app, you can generate your personalized referral link. This section is easily accessible through the app's main menu. To generate your referral link, simply tap the Generate button within the Referrals section. This creates a unique link that tracks your referrals and ensures proper credit for successful purchases. The app may provide options to slightly customize your referral link or generate a QR code version. This makes sharing more convenient, especially for in-person referrals or social media posts. Ensure the generated link accurately reflects your unique referral code. This code is essential for tracking and crediting your successful referrals. The Tesla app includes pre-built messages that you can use when sharing your referral link with potential buyers. These messages are designed to be engaging and informative. Before sharing, review the pre-built message to ensure it aligns with your personal sharing strategy and accurately represents the referral benefits. Share your referral link through multiple channels, including email, SMS, social media platforms, and QR code sharing. Tailor your message to the specific platform and audience. For social media, you might say, "Check out the future of driving with Tesla. Use my link for exclusive perks." For email, try, "Hey friend, I love my Tesla. Join me and get rewards when you buy." Highlight the benefits of Tesla ownership and the specific rewards they'll receive by using your link, such as cutting-edge electric vehicle technology, free supercharging miles, exclusive merchandise, and priority access to new models. Remember, successful referrals lead to rewards for you, like free supercharging miles. The Referrals section of the Tesla app provides a dashboard to track the status of your referrals. You'll see if a referral is pending, qualified, or redeemed. The app updates as the referred purchase progresses. Once a referred purchase is completed and delivered, the status will change to redeemed, and your rewards will be applied automatically. Rewards in Tesla's referral program vary depending on your region and current promotions. Common rewards include free supercharging miles, Tesla merchandise, or credits for upgrades like full self-driving capability. In the US and Europe, rewards often prioritize supercharging credits, while other regions may focus on different energy incentives. Other rewards include Tesla merchandise, such as mugs, backpacks, and apparel. You can also earn credits towards upgrades like full self-driving capability. The Tesla app displays your earned rewards and provides clear instructions for redemption. Simply navigate to the Rewards section to see available options and claim them. Eligibility and program details. To participate in Tesla's referral program, you must be a Tesla vehicle owner with a verified Tesla account and an active vehicle. Referrals are generally not applicable to internal transfers or fleet purchases. Tesla verifies all referrals to prevent fraud. The program offers Tesla-branded perks and does not provide cash payouts. Be aware that Tesla occasionally pauses or adjusts the program for high-demand models. Experts from industry analysts view Tesla's referral program as a powerful loyalty tool that boosts customer retention by up to 15%, according to recent reports. Looking ahead, future trends include potential integration of AI-driven personalized referral suggestions via app notifications and possibly crypto or NFT-based rewards if Tesla's blockchain initiatives mature. Always share your referral link ethically and be mindful of data privacy, avoiding oversharing personal information with potential privacy regulations in mind. Check Tesla's website or app for the most up-to-date terms and conditions, as the program evolves with new features and regional variations. Share your link responsibly and enjoy the benefits of the Tesla referral program.